Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue at home. We will start by gathering our essential ingredients and preparing our workspace. You will need 3 large egg whites, half a cup of superfine granulated sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. It is crucial that all your bowls and whisks are impeccably clean and free of any grease or oil, as this can prevent the egg whites from whipping properly. Now let's begin whipping. Place your egg whites into a very clean bowl. Start your mixer on a low speed, allowing the egg whites to break up and become frothy. As they start to foam, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Once soft peaks begin to form, slowly add your superfine sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, ensuring it fully dissolves into the mixture. Continue whipping the meringue until it reaches the perfect stiff peak stage. When you lift the whisk, the peaks should stand tall and firm without drooping. The meringue itself should appear beautifully glossy and smooth, indicating the sugar has completely dissolved. To confirm, rub a tiny bit between your thumb and forefinger. You should not feel any grittiness from undissolved sugar. This ensures a stable and delicious meringue. Finally, it's time to bake your meringues. Gently pipe or spoon your meringue mixture onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Place them into a preheated oven set to a very low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 1 to 2 hours, or until they are dry to the touch. For the crispiest results, turn off the oven and let the meringues cool completely inside.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.